Welcome to NBA Live Mobile. Let's start by setting up your account. Open the app and create a profile to begin your basketball journey. Once logged in, you'll find the home screen. Familiarize yourself with the layout and different game modes available. Next, let's jump into a quick match. Tap on play to kick off your first game. Feel the excitement building. During the match, use the joystick to control your player movements. Practice dribbling and shooting to score points. Keep an eye on the scoreboard. It's crucial to track your progress and see how your skills are improving. Congratulations! You've just completed your first game. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Let's explore more. To enhance your gameplay, utilize the daily quests and challenges. They offer exciting rewards and help sharpen your skills. Don't forget about team management. Build a balanced team by selecting players with complementary skills. Engage in head-to-head matches with friends or global players. Challenge yourself and climb the leaderboard. Stay updated with player stats and trends. This knowledge helps you make informed decisions during the game. Finally, practice makes perfect. Spend time in practice mode to hone your skills and learn new moves. Now you're set to dominate NBA Live Mobile. Get ready to show off your skills on the court.